Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera settings to keep selfie angle on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the camera app. In here, tap on the settings icon at the top left corner. Next, in the camera settings page, we scroll down to the general section and then tap on settings to keep. Next, tap on the selfie angle toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. If we turn this on, then the phone will keep the angle you last used for the front camera. The camera will no longer switch between normal and wide angles based on the number of people in the selfie. And that's it. So switch it on if you want to keep the same selfie angle, or you can switch it off. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.